Sheen's stunning admission this morning, a stark reminder that many Americans still live with that terrible disease, including thousands of people right here in the metro.
At Kansas City's Good Samaritan project, they're continuing the work they started 30 years ago, helping people with HIV and AIDS.
Great feeling to help somebody out that, otherwise it'd be really hard to figure out all these different things about medical care and treatment and all that.
Travis Barnhart works one-on-one with HIV patients every day.
I've seen a lot of people, come in and they're just so confused about how do I get to the doctor, what medicines do I have to take.
Travis helps them find those medications at places like University of Kansas Hospital.
Certainly being diagnosed with HIV around this time, you're quote-unquote very fortunate as compared to patients who were diagnosed, let's say, in the 80s and 90s.
Dr. Dana Hawkinson says the cocktail of drugs KU prescribes for their 500 to 600 HIV patients can reduce the disease to undetectable levels.
The newer classes, newer drugs are certainly more potent and have less side effects, and it's very easy for patients to tolerate them.
Drugs almost all HIV patients can afford, either through their insurance, a special government fund that helps HIV patients, or now through Obamacare.
That has been a huge help with people living with HIV. You take away the pre-existing condition clause that used to keep people out of health insurance programs. It's really helped get a lot of our clients into health insurance.
According to the Missouri Department of Health, on the Missouri side of the KC Metro, more than 3,500 people are living with HIV. In the entire state of Kansas, more than 2,800 people had HIV at the end of 2012. The most recent numbers available from AIDSVU.org. Now, the Good Samaritan Project hopes Charlie Sheen's admission puts those numbers back in the spotlight, reminding us all that the battle against HIV isn't over.
So I think it's really going to bring HIV back in the forefront, at least for a little while.
And the number of people living with HIV here in the KC Metro has been holding relatively steady over the past few years. The Good Samaritan Project has free HIV testing clinics every Tuesday and Thursday at their office at 3030 Walnut Street. There's one going on right now until 7:30 tonight.